Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Deepal School. I am Miss Sipra and today I am going to discussing a chapter of Science World book standard 4, that is your teeth. Okay, this is chapter number 7 students. So you see here, this one is the picture of a mouth. So if we talk about our teeth, these are the two sets of teeth that are present in upper and lower jaws within our mouth. Okay, so let's see and read the chapter your teeth. You eat different kinds of food every day. You bite, you tear, you chew, crush, and grind the food before you swallow it. How do you do this, students? You have teeth in your mouth that help you to do this. Your teeth also help you to talk and they give shape to your face. So your teeth has an important role to play in your daily life. But do you know what do you know that when you were born you did not have any teeth? So unlike your heart or brain, your teeth were not there from the day you were born. Through the teeth were present even before you were born. So they did not become visible until you were about 6 to 12 months old. So ask your mother when your first tooth appeared. Okay, then milk teeth. Most children have their first set of teeth by the time they are 3 years old. So here you see these are called the milk teeth. Okay, and these are 20 in all. When a child is 5 or 6 years, these teeth start falling out one by one. And if we talk about the permanent teeth, within the age of 12 to 13, these are shown. So your teeth or your milk teeth fall out because they are being pushed out of the way by the permanent teeth that grow behind them. Slowly, the permanent teeth grow in and take the place of milk teeth. By the age of 12 or 13 years, most of you would have lost all your milk teeth and have a full set of permanent teeth. Okay, then there are 28 permanent teeth in all, but between the age of 17 to 21, four more teeth are called wisdom teeth are in adult you would have a set of 32 teeth. So if you see the structures of our whole mouth teeth, so this one is a various kinds of teeth with a particular structure. And if we talk about the types of teeth, we see at some time what are the types, that is the incisor, canine, premolar, molar, etc. And this is of 32 teeth, or we can say a set of teeth is of or is consist of 32 teeth. Structure of our tooth. So let us know about what is the reality, or what a tooth really is. So look at your teeth in the mirror and see the picture. Yes, this one. So these are the teeth, and if we see the detailed structure of the teeth, you have to see this part of your book or this picture of your book. Okay, and read the part. So the part of the tooth you can see which is not covered by the gum is called what? Crown. Okay, so if you say about what is crown. So the part that is not covered by the gum is called crown. The crown of each teeth is covered with enamel. Okay, so this one is crown and this one is enamel. Okay, then the part beneath the enamel is called dentine. This part is called dentine. It is a hard substance that makes up the largest part of our tooth. Which one? This dentine. Then below this, a part is present which is known as pulp, and it protects the innermost part of our tooth. The pulp is where there are nerve endings and blood vessels are found. Endings inside the pulp send messages to the brain about what you are eating. So the nerve endings inside the pulp send messages to about what you are eating. The blood vessels supply blood to the tooth and keep it alive and healthy. Okay, then see, the pulp goes down into the root of the tooth which is under the gum, and the root holds the tooth firmly in the flesh. Now open your mouth wide and look at the teeth in the front and at the back of the mouth in the mirror, and notice what you see. Then see what are the types of teeth. So there are mainly 4 types of teeth present in our mouth, and if we talk about what are the types, this is of 4 types. The first one is incisor, the second one canine, and the third one is premolar, and the fourth one is molar. Okay, and if we see what is incisor, students, so just like a seizure, a incisor teeth helps you to chisel, to cut, chop and slice the food. Okay, and there are the 2 front teeth, and the teeth on either side of the mouth are called incisor. These are the incisor. At the upper jaw there are 2 teeth, and the lower jaw there are 2 incisors. You have 4 incisors at the top of a mouth at the bottom. So incisors are chisel shaped just like this. Okay, just like this, and then they help us to cut, chop and slice food. When you bite an apple, you use the incisor teeth. Okay, so next to incisor there is another one which is known as canines, and these are sharp and pointed teeth, and they are 4 of them. Okay, then 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. They help you tear food. Okay, and open your mouth a bite wider. You see another types of teeth, that is the premolar, the next to the canine, and you see these are the canine, these are the premolar teeth. Okay, and the structure of teeth is just like this. So here these premolars are 8 in the numbers, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. If you if you can open your mouth really wide, you will see your molars. Okay, then after that the next one is the molar teeth. You see here, this is the structure of molar, and 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom teeth are found. The premolar and molar are flat, broad and help you to chew and grind the food. So these are the four types of teeth, and this is the structure of teeth. And if we talk about how to taking care of our teeth, so you have to do that type of things in your daily life. Okay, you should change your toothbrush in every 3 months. Okay, then you have to learn the proper way of brushing your teeth, and move the brush in little circles around and around until just like this. Okay, this help you to clean the teeth in a proper way. So you have covered the surface of your teeth, then brush your teeth up to down, up and down, and rather than side to side. And remember to brush them not just the morning out, before going to bed as well. Okay, then wash and rinse your mouth after every meal. You can use a dental floss to clean between your teeth, and this removes food and plague. The plague is the sticky substance that can cause cavities or gum disease, so that get stuck in between the teeth. You can use tongue cleaner to clean your tongue, but be careful not to hurt the tongue. Cleaning the tongue can make your breath feel fresh. Okay, then if we talk about the another one, cut down your sugary foods just like chocolate, sweets, and candies, and drinks, or just like soda. So then you have find your tooth very healthy and strong. Sugars react with bacteria in your mouth to form an acid that causes a tooth not good for your teeth, students. So remember that always and follow it in your daily life. Then drink at least 2 glasses of milk and eggs, fruits, and leafy vegetables in your diet to keep each teeth strong and healthy. Visit a dentist at least once a year for checkup, and dentists look out for any problems that treat them if there are any. So take care of your teeth, and you can have a healthy smile for rest of your life. So dogs have 42 teeth, cats have 30 teeth, pigs have 44 teeth, and mosquitoes have 47 teeth. Okay, students? So see you in next class, student. The chapter is complete, and you have to do the assessment sheet of the chapter. Thank you.